This is lesson 1-6, multiplying integers. Before we look at multiplying integers, we need to look at the rules around multiplying positive and negative numbers. In your interactive notebook, you should already have instructions regarding these rules. When we're multiplying a positive times a positive, we're going to get a positive. But if we multiply a positive times a negative, we're going to get a negative. Negative times positive is negative, and negative times negative is positive. They're little silly faces, but it helps keep things in line with these rules. When the signs are the same, the answer is positive, as you can see with these two faces. But when the signs are different, one's positive and one's negative, the answer is negative. Let's look at our book. We want to show 2 times negative 3 on the number line. Well, let's think of our rules. 2 times negative 3. One is positive, the other one is negative. That tells us different signs, negative answer. Now let's multiply our numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 times negative 3 is equal to 6. If we're going to show this on a number line, we're going to start at 0, and we are going to make 2 jumps of negative 3. One jump takes us to negative 3. The second jump takes us to negative 6. Question 6. Which of these products are negative? Product means an answer to a multiplication problem. If you go back to our little silly faces, a positive times a negative gave us a negative. Negative times positive gave us a negative. So we're looking for 2 factors with different signs. On our first one, we have a negative times a negative. That's going to make a positive. The second one, negative times positive. That we want to keep. The third one, 0 times negative 2. Well, the property of multiplication, the 0 property of multiplication, tells us that anything times 0 is 0. And 0 is not positive or negative. So we will not choose this one. Our next one, 15 times negative 5. Positive times negative, different signs give us a negative answer. Our last one, negative 8 times negative 9. 2 negatives, same sign, positive answer. Question number 7, part A. We're going to find each product, so find each answer to the multiplication problem. Remember your rules. Same sign, positive answer, different signs, negative answer. A, negative 9 times negative 4. This will be a positive, and 9 times 4 is 36. B, negative 7 times 12. Different signs, negative answer. 7 times 12 is 84. C, 8 times negative 8. Different signs, negative answer. 8 times 8 is 64. And letter D, 9 times 15. They are both positive, so we will have a positive answer. 9 times 15 is 135. Positive times positive, positive answer. Negative times negative, positive answer. Positive times negative, negative answer. Negative times positive, negative answer. Same sign positive, different sign negative. Question 8. A game show contestant starts a game by answering 2 questions incorrectly. Each incorrect answer costs the contestant $600. Use a product of two integers to show the point total that would appear for the contestant. He got 2 questions incorrect. Each costs $600. So if it costs him $600, that is negative 600 per question. That's for one, but he did this for 2 questions. So we need to multiply this by 2. Negative times positive, negative 600 times 2 is 1,200. Now I want you to do the next 2 pages of this section and check your answers against Canvas. I strongly advise you to try answering them without a calculator, but use the calculator to check your work. I look forward to hearing any questions.